In today's video, I'll show you how to create and send an email campaign in ActiveCampaign, from setting up your message to choosing your audience and sending the final email. First, sign into your ActiveCampaign account and open the email section from the left-hand menu. Next, click Create a Campaign. If you see the option to start from scratch, select it. Give your campaign a clear name. This name is mainly for you and your team, so choose something that makes the campaign easy to identify later. Now select Standard as the campaign type if you're sending a regular one-time email, then continue to the next step. You'll now need to set up the email itself. Start by adding your subject line. This is the main text recipients will see in their inbox. You can also add pre-header text, which provides additional preview information next to or below the subject line. Next, check your from name and from email address so recipients know who the message is from. Now choose how you want to design the email. You can start with a blank design, select a pre-made template, or use available AI-assisted tools. Once you've selected your design, open the email editor. You can use the drag-and-drop builder to add and arrange elements, such as text, images, buttons, and other content. After finishing the design, preview the email and check that everything looks correct. Next, choose your audience. Select the contact list you want to send the campaign to. If you only want to reach a specific group, you can also apply a segment based on conditions, such as tags, contact information, or behavior. Before sending the campaign, send yourself a test email. Check the subject line, formatting, links, images, and overall appearance on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with the campaign, review the final settings. You can choose Send Now to deliver the campaign immediately, or schedule it for a specific date and time. After confirming the campaign, ActiveCampaign will send the email to the selected audience. And that's how you send an email campaign with ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.